Hello guys, here is I have Samsung A14 5G and the screen is cracked, and I'm going to show you how to replace the screen. Let me turn off the phone. I cannot turn off, it doesn't work. Let me remove the SIM card. And now we're gonna open the back cover. With this open tool, we just push up, and there is a couple of lock. We have to remove it, so it's gonna come out easily. We are almost done. We don't want to lift it up all the way, just on left side. You can see here is a fingerprint ribbon. We don't want to lift it. Now I'm gonna remove this panel, remove the all screw. Just with the finger, just lifting up, it's come out easily. Now we're gonna remove this battery connection first and remove this fingerprint cable, and then we're gonna remove this screen connection. Now we're gonna remove this two antenna connection here, and with the tweezer we just lifting up slowly, it's come out easily. The motherboard, we separate the motherboard. Now we're gonna remove this charging port. Remove this solid screw first, and then we're gonna lift. With this open tool, just lifting up, and it's with the finger we just push up, and you can see it's come out. There is the speaker panel. Remove the charging port connection, and with the finger just pull it up, charging port come out easily. Now you're gonna remove this vibration, add some alcohol. Sorry, my camera doesn't show up, but we just put some alcohol and it's come out easily. And top side, we're gonna remove this microphone. We're gonna apply some heat on behind the screen, and easy to remove this speaker. This has come out. Here is new screen, and it doesn't come with the volume plex and power plex, and bottom side there is no speaker ribbon, so we have to remove from old screen. Same thing, we're gonna use alcohol. Today I'm not gonna apply heat, just use alcohol. See, easy to remove or not? Yes, it's easy to remove with the alcohol also. We're gonna remove like that today, and we're gonna apply more alcohol on top this side also. This has come out. Here is the plex. It's nicely removed. And now we're gonna remove this speaker ribbon. Apply some alcohol. with the tweet, just slowly lifting up. We want to lift it. And slowly remove. And now we're gonna use the finger. After remove this, we're gonna use remove. We don't want to do all the way because there is a glue tape. We have to remove it. I'm gonna use a little bit more alcohol. It's already dry. Now use it a little bit more and just slowly remove. Yes, it's nicely removed. Now you're gonna remove this battery, and look like this time is easy to remove this battery. Samsung A14 they make a different way. With this plastic, we just grab the plastic and lift it up and come out easily. The Samsung did a good thing with this Samsung phone, and nice, it's easy to remove. Usually it's too hard to remove the battery from old screen. Now we can remove easily, and you see is nothing damaged. This looks good. And now you're gonna put it back in speaker. There's one speaker under the speaker there is one cover, so dust cannot come inside. We're gonna put it back this one. And top of that we're gonna put it back speaker. There is this one is the ear speaker. And now we're gonna put it back this power plex, and there is one hole you see. We're gonna put it on the side first, then just press it down. Here is the hole. We just make sure it's on center. On top side we just with the finger we just press it down, and with this alcohol when you remove it, the glue doesn't mess up. Is good thing. And put it back vibration. And now we're gonna put it back this ribbon, speaker ribbon. There is two holes. One is here, one is here. This two hole goes to side, and this side we just press it down. Nice. Now we're gonna install the motherboard. First goes on left side. First it goes on left side, then we just press it down. Now we're gonna install the battery. This new screen comes with the glue tape. We just install it. It's like that. Now you're gonna connect the screen connection, and bottom side we're gonna install charging port. Like this. Just press it down, and we're gonna connect the charging port connection. And we're gonna organize the antenna line, and now we're gonna put it back speaker panel and install the all screw. White one is goes on down, and black one will be top side. We are done with the antenna connection. Now we're gonna connect the battery. Now we're gonna connect the fingerprint ribbon before plastic panel. Before this plastic panel, we're gonna connect the fingerprint ribbon, and top of that we're gonna put it on plastic panel. Just press it down. Sorry, my camera doesn't show up on bottom side. We just press it down. That's it. And put it back all screw. Now you're gonna close the phone. With the finger, just press it down. And this is the volume side. Just make sure it's clicking. Yeah, it's clicking. You're done here. Now you're gonna turn on the phone. You already insert the SIM card. So you guys can insert the SIM card before turning on or after turning on. You're gonna check volume button. Yeah, it's working. Volume button, power button. We're gonna check the speaker because we switch the ribbon from old screen to new screen. Downside.
Welcome to Metro by T-Mobile.
Yeah, speaker is working. Now the speaker is working. So that's mean ribbon work good, and volume button, power button also work good. And that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.